1 Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for drop off. Drop off means to fall. For example, the man dropped off the cliff and parachuted down. Drop off also means to begin to sleep. For example, Steve keeps dropping off at his desk. Drop off can also mean to take someone or something and leave them somewhere. For example, the taxi dropped off the woman at her house. The delivery driver dropped off the package. Drop off also means to decrease. For example, there is a drop off of visitors at the beach in the winter. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using drop off and leave it in the comments below.